Good morning, first grade. Today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. Let's start our day with the kindness pledge. Ready? One hand on your heart, one hand in the air. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. Friends, I've loved seeing all your amazing work that you've been doing, and I've got a few pictures here this morning that I want to share with you that some families have shared with me. You might remember that I asked you or gave you the challenge that you could create your own word walls. Well, here are just a couple that I wanted to highlight. There's certainly not everyone's that have come in, and I'll be highlighting some more as we go throughout our announcements together. But this is Grace's word wall. I chose to highlight this one. I love all the color coding that she did. She picked some really nice colors, and she has the words all neatly written there on her word wall. I love it. Also, I wanted to show you Dominic's word wall that he did at his home. It looks very similar to a word wall that you might even see in a classroom, because teachers often organize their word walls like this, putting the letter at the top and then all the words that begin with that letter underneath. So great job to those two friends. I hope that you'll continue to work on your word walls and send those photos in to me so I can highlight some more. I also want to give a big shout out to everyone who's working really, really hard in Raz Kids. I know that lots of you are working really hard, earning lots of stars, earning lots of badges. I just want to highlight 3 students who currently have the most stars in that program. Great job to Grayson for having 2,680 stars in Raz Kids now. Kat with 2,650 stars, and Seth with 1,990. Way to go, friends, and keep on reading. I hope that you have a wonderful day of e-learning. As always, click the next slide to do the announcement or to do the pledge with Mr. A. Thank you.